Hi, I'm JL Kalangian, Senior Onboarding Consultant at Sprout Social. In this Sprout Bites video, I'll walk you through common post failures and how to avoid them using Sprout's publishing tool. If your post failed, it's not usually a major issue. It's just a small step that needs attention. So let's start with one of the most common reasons a post failed. That's disconnected profiles. When that happens, the first place that you need to check is your failed post folder. You will see an error message here explaining the reason why the post failed. It's often the re-authorization issue. Sprout will also notify you when a profile disconnects or about to be disconnected. So from here, you can click on the Profile Issues button and then you will be routed to settings to reconnect your profile. Second reason why a post might fail is you're skipping the preview on the formatting option. When you go to the compose section, this is where you create your content. You can upload the picture by selecting an image or an asset from your library. Let me use this as an example. When you upload a picture or a video content on Sprout, you will always have the preview on the right side. Sprout Social offers formatting options. So if you click the pencil icon, you will be routed to this part where you can edit the brightness, and the most important thing is to crop the image based on the appropriate sizes or resolution per network. You also can keep the resolution here by ticking the box. And if you're ever unsure about dimensions or file requirements by network, you can reference our media upload types and size limits articles, which is going to be in our help center. You will find the most up-to-date specs in there. And the third common reason why a post might fail is you're posting the same content across all networks. Each network has different formatting and audience expectations. So instead of duplicating the same caption everywhere or the same exact content, you can customize post by network. You can click this button, and that allows you to toggle from one network to another. For LinkedIn specifically, a post might fail if your targeting segments are too small. For example, each LinkedIn targeting segment here must have at least 300 followers for your post to publish successfully. So if you wanted to share content to only followers with the VP title, or industries from any of the following, let me select, for example, accounting, seniority level, I'm targeting all VPs. We have to make sure that at least 300 of your followers fall into that group. Otherwise, the post won't go through. If you notice an unknown error in your failed post folder and you're unsure what caused it, feel free to reach out to our live chat support team. They can provide clarity and help troubleshoot quickly.